Okay, so if you go up Jake's Creek Trail just a little bit, there's more to show you.
There's some ruins up here that were older homesteads than the 1910 ones that we just saw in Daisytown.
Now, there ain't much of them left.
I called it ruins.
And it's pretty easy to find them. There's usually like a sidewalk or steps or some old fence. But one of them sat here, as you can tell. They said not much left. In fact, that's about all that's left. But they have this beautiful creek right behind these places. A short little walk. And here was the next one. Still has the chimney. And maybe what was a front porch, or look at that quartz in there. And this is one of Stephanie's favorite places because she likes seeing these ruins. Now this is the last one that I'm going to walk to, but they just keep going and going and going. So you can see that at least at one time this road was paved. Not so much anymore.
Gorgeous day.
Now, I told you that would have been the last one, but this is one of Steph's favorite places to go. She ain't gonna let me get out of here that easy. Crystal clear water. And there was a little walkway here. And there you can see part of a wall that used to be one of the structures that was here. You can see one was here, and it's kind of steps to nowhere. All being reclaimed by the forest. Are you enjoying your walk through Elkmont?
I love it here. I love every mossy rock, every white water bubble, every mud hole.
It is a pretty neat place if you've never been here before, or even if you have been here before. Come back and see the changes. And another little fun fact is the ivy, this English ivy that's growing on this wall, is actually an invasive species. And they're trying to take it out of here, but that's how you can tell sometimes that there was a homestead there, is that the English ivy's growing even though there's no building left. It's not too bad of a hike back here. And more stairs to nowhere. Chimneys. Now there is one more cabin back here. And apparently they're refurbishing this one also. Last time we were here, this one was in really bad shape. Go take a look inside, see how they're coming along with the renovations, if at all. It's still pretty rough. So we'll have to come back and check it out every so many months, see how it's coming along. So the other cool thing is they often have a volunteer or a park ranger out here to answer any questions, fill you in on the history of the place, and so that's really cool. And yeah, some of these things like this I kind of have to do on my own. Steph doesn't walk quite as well as she used to, and we're catching up to her though. She heard me talking about her. Honey, do you love the bridge?
Love. This is the troll bridge?
No. This is just a bridge.
Oh, I love the troll bridge.
We didn't go to that yet.
It makes my heart so happy.
Does it make your heart happy?
Yeah.
So right off the parking lot, if you come across that bridge, there is an old cemetery up here at the top of the hill, which we'll show you. Now, unfortunately, they have it gated and fenced off, but it is up here, and they probably have it fenced and gated off because people aren't listening to the sign. Please respect our place of rest. We are on our way to heaven. We'll be looking for you.
There's some of the main families buried in here, and close by cemeteries. You'll know the names of Ormby and Ogle and Townsend. Their family goes way back to settling these areas, And you'll see their graves everywhere up here in the cove and at Elkmont.
Now remember my talk before about invasive species. Yeah, that's one terrible one right there for all you global warming believers. Some of the flowers you can see. The hellbender. So let's take a little hike. Now this is, I'm coming off the lower parking lot. Little River Trail. There's something cool back here you gotta see. There were some old homesteads back in here also. Again, not much left standing of these. But this isn't what I was going to show you yet either. Let's go over here and take a look at the creek. Now, what I'm going to show you, if you take that main trail that we were just on and you come up there a little piece, you make a right and you come down here to the creek, and there is the troll bridge. So we're not going to cross it because, well, we don't have any goats with us, and I don't want to end up being troll food or anything like that. But there's the troll bridge. Of course, there's really not a troll there, but they call it the troll bridge. And we are going to cross it just to prove that there's no troll. I'm guessing at one time there was probably a homestead back here. And I would have been right. This is actually the first time I've ever seen the troll bridge. And there's what's left of that homestead. Not a whole lot. But I hope you enjoyed the troll bridge, and we're going to continue on our merry little way. Have at least one more thing to show you, and hope you're sticking with us. So where are we headed?
We're headed to another cemetery.
And we are all by ourselves. Thank God we love being all by ourselves all the time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're all very welcome for my singing ability. You might be deaf now, but
Oh, he sings all the time, people.
Yep. So this is the old Elkmont Cemetery. A little tricky to find, but we thought it important to share. So let's go check it out. Now, you see how beat up these posts are.
A bear did that.
Yeah.
That's bear.
Yep, bears scratching at these posts,
Loving it.
doing all this damage, marking their territory.
Remember when entering any place that there's a lot of, you got to show a lot of respect, please.
There's some old stones in here.
I feel like we'll come across some graves that have a lot of children probably passed in the same year when a fever would come through the territory. If you can even read some of the headstones.
Well, some of them are just simple rocks anymore. If they even ever had writing on them. As you can see, they're very old.
There's a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old that passed in the same year.
Well, this was our first time seeing this graveyard. But to give you an idea, If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss another Steph-N-Lee day. If you missed part 1 or you wanted to check out our other videos, you can find them on our channel page. Thank you so much for watching.